Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a nice to know video how to invert a layer. Okay, so we need an example. So here you see this guy here, and I'm hiding this layer here, and or this object, and you see here's a layer, and when I slide the layer to 0%, then it becomes long hair. But I want the opposite direction. I want the long hair on 100%. So like in this example here. So here is on 100% the long hair, and I want 0% the short hair. Okay, so how to do this? So I clear the scene, and here is the hair file. So you see here, when I slide, 100% is the short hair. Okay, so then you have to clone the layer. So then it becomes a little bit curious. So, okay, then go to the first layer. Here the three dots, you see the three dots here, and here you can change the offset. So type in here minus 100%. So now you see this is now 100% and it's set to minus 100. So here, and this layer here, merge this layer down to the base layer. So merge it down, and now the layer here is inverted. So you see it here. But the value here is at minus 100. So if you want it to be 100% without minus, then you have to add a new layer and then bring the new layer here in this under the other layer and merge it down to this layer. So now you see here the offset is 100% and the layer is inverted. So this was the original mesh. You see here 100% is short hair, and this one here 100% is long hair. So yeah, that's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.